How to make a free business website in WordPress in 2024. Okay, so this is a step-by-step tutorial. What you have to do is just locate your control panel and then click on it, and then come here to the Subtitles app and then click on it. Over here you can install your WordPress if you don't have it already, okay, but I've already installed it, so I'm going to just click on the installations, and then we are going to log right into our WordPress. So all that you have to do is just come here and then click on the icon to log into my WordPress. So as you can see, I'm in our WordPress dashboard, and I can visit my site by simply coming to click on visit site. And this is the theme that is provided by WordPress. Okay, so now let's build our business website by simply going to the dashboard and then click on it, and then just come here where you have the appearance. Just come and then select the appearance, and then come and click on the themes. Okay, so over here at the top side you can see we have add new theme. Just come and then click on it, and then over here at the popular themes we can browse through and then select one of the popular theme which most bloggers use, which is the Astra. You can preview it by clicking on the preview, and then this is how the Astra looks like. Okay, what you have to do is to just come and then install it by simply coming here and then click on the install. Okay, so it is installing, and then come and click on the activate for it to be activated. Okay, so we have all these starter templates to select from, so simply come here and then come and click on let's get started with starter template. Okay, and then just wait for it to come. So it is activating. Over here we can build our website with two options. Okay, the first one is to use the AI to build it for us, which is fast, and then we can also come in and select a classic starter template that is built already. Okay, but I prefer the AI to build it, so we just come in and come and click on try the new AI builder. Okay, and then over here we are going to use this AI platform, the ZipWP platform, to build our website. It is fast. Okay, just come here and then come and click let's get started. It's free. Okay, then over here we can build our website within few seconds. What you have to do is just come in and then come and create an account. Okay, you have to create an account by simply coming to click on sign up with Google in one click. Okay, so what you have to do is just come and then click on the continue, and over here we are going to go through this series of steps to build our website. Okay, so what you have to do first is that we have to choose a website name. Okay, so I'm going to call my website Benny's Wedding Rings. Okay, so Benny's Wedding Rings, this is the name of my website. Then just come here and then come and select the purpose of the website. Okay, just click on it and then you can select any of these agency entrepreneur, but I'm going to select local business. Okay, so after selecting it you can change the language by simply coming here and then click the down arrow and then select the language that you want. Okay, but I'm going to leave it at the default language, and then come in and come and click on continue. So what you have to do is that you have to describe what your website is about so that the AI can build the website for you. You can always come here where it says write using AI and then come and click on it for the AI to create one for you. So as you can see, the AI has generated one for us. We can go through, look at it, and then make some changes to fit our preference. Okay, if you don't want it, you can always come here where it says improve using AI and then click on it, and then it will regenerate a different one for you. So come here and then click on continue when you are done. So over here what you have to do is to just come here and then come and provide your contact details so that your customers can reach out to you by first coming here to put in your email address. Okay, beside that you can also come here and then come and put in your phone number. It has to be your business phone number. Okay, so after putting it there you can also come here and then come and put in your business address here. That is where people can come and then meet you in person. Okay, and then you can always come and then add your social media handles to it by clicking on this plus sign, and then you have all these social media handles that you can select and then add it to your website. Okay, but I'm going to skip all these by simply coming here and then come and click on skip step. Okay, so over here you have to select a free stock image to be added to your website so that it will be built for you. Okay, so when you select it you are going to see the selected images here. Make sure you don't select more than 20 for one website. You can always add some later, and then you can upload your own images by clicking here. Okay, so when you are done just simply come down here where you have the continue and then come and click on it. So what you have to do is to select the structure of your website. That is how your website is going to look like. Okay, we have all these structures that you can go through and then select by simply putting the mouse on it to see it from the top to the down, how the website is going to look like. I'm going to go through and then select the one that suits my preferences. Okay, By simply scrolling down to this one, this is what I'm going to select. It is looking nice and then it fits my business preference. Okay, so what I have to do is just click on it and then it's going to be selected. I can come here and then upload my business logo if I have it already. If I don't have it, I can simply leave it and then add it later, okay, by clicking on upload the file. Okay, beside that one you can also come in and change the font of the website. You can select any one that you want, but I'm going to leave it at the default. Beside that one you can also come in and come and select the color palette that you want. You can go around with any of them, but I'm going to leave it at default. You can also come and then switch it through the desktop, the tablet, and then the mobile mode to see how it's going to appear. You can always go back and then select a different structure for your website by clicking here. Okay, so when you're ready, just come here and then come and click on the continue. And then over here, you have to select these features to be added to your website. It is not compulsory. You can check the box for it to be added, like the donations. We have the sales funnel. We have the free live chat as well. You also have the video player. You can check the box for it to be added. It is not compulsory if you don't want it, okay? And then we have the automation as well. So me, I'm going to skip all this by simply coming here to click on skip and then start building, so that the AI will start building my website for me. So as you can see, sit back, relax for the AI to build your website for you. Okay, so hooray, it has successfully built our website for us, and then we can simply go ahead and then check out our website by simply coming here where it says see your website and then click on it. So this is the website. It is looking nice, amazing, awesome, and then we have built our business website for totally free on our own. So congratulations, you have been able to build your first business website. Okay, so what you have to know is that we can do anything that we want. So as you can see, we have our business name here. Beside that one too, we have our menus over here as well. And then we have our shop now here as well. Okay, so we can change any of these by simply coming to the customize and then click on it. And then we have all these to select and then customize our business website. Okay, so you can click on any of these and then customize it. Beside that one, you can also put the mouse on anything that you want to customize and then click on the edit button. Okay, so when you click on it, when you come here, as you can see, I can enlarge the logo by simply clicking on this, and then I can also change the title. So let me try and then remove the W and then add a capital W, and then remove the R and then add a capital R to it. Okay, so let's go and see the changes. As you can see, it is reflected here. So anything that you want to edit, you can simply put the mouse on it. Just put the mouse on it and then come and click on the edit button, and then you'll be able to edit it. Okay, so we have all these features that you can use to edit. You can switch to the design mode, and then you can change the background color, you can change the text color, you can change anything. It is so easy. It is just a simple click and then you are able to edit anything. So the title, the logo, you can do anything. You can even remove it by clicking on the time sign to just remove any of them that you don't want. Okay, so you can also come down here and then edit the about section. And then the one important aspect is the contact information. Okay, just always come and make sure that you put in your own original contact information and then the telephone number as well. So when you are done customizing it, just come in and come and click on publish, and then your website will be published and live. Okay, so this is how to make a free business website in WordPress in 2024 for totally free. Just like the video, if you have any questions, put it in the comments down section, and then see you in my next video.